friends, welcome to my channel. Today I will be unboxing one of the most economical subscription box, and that is the Glamego subscription box for the month of July 2018. This is priced at rupees 399 per month. You can get it for a lower cost when you subscribe for 3, 6 or 12 months. And this is how the box came in. These days, as you see, Glamego is coming up with very thoughtful boxes. So just have a look at it. It actually leads us to think that one shouldn't be judging. So yes, box says don't judge, and these are the card which says don't judge. Glamego is an endeavor to encourage Zaria, an initiative to put an end to abuse and violence against women. And yes, this is the website for Zaria. I totally support this cause, and actually if you look at it, just look at this, I mean, no one should be judging any women from their neckline or for the way they dress. It's a woman's prerogative. We need to teach our boys, the men, to be in control of their feelings and to allow the woman to be what she is and not judge her. I'm very impressed with this, friends. And then there is a leaflet which says it is a monsoon skincare box, and these are all the products that are in it. Let me get them out, friends. So this time it has quite a lot of my favorite brands. The first brand is from Nature's Co, and we have got this red wine sleeping face gel, and it is a 35 ml product, so it is a deluxe sample size product. I have used this product earlier. I quite like it, and this is priced at rupees 900, friends. So quite a expensive one. The next product again is from the same brand, Nature's Co, and this is the Saffron Day Cream. This is also a cream which I have used. It's a light moisturizing cream. It is quite a good one, and it also claims to protect you from the UV rays and keeps infection away. This is priced at rupees 550. Happy to get this product too. The next product that I have received is from Ellen Blue. This is a brand which is made in Germany. It is a high volume waterproof mascara in the shade Intense Black. It is a 8 ml product, and this is supposed to be a waterproof, long lasting, high volume mascara. So let me just open it for you. So this is how the wand looks. It is a tightly packed bristles in it, and will definitely help in volumizing your eyelashes. Looks promising. The next product is from BioBloom. So BioBloom is one of my favorite brands, and this time it's a new product altogether. They have come out with a body mist, and this is in the fragrance Valley of Flowers. It is a 50 ml product priced at rupees 450. So this product has been launched in this box only. It is an alcohol free product, and it is chemical free too. Let me just see the fragrance. The fragrance is quite nice. It is refreshing and it is floral. So yeah, quite a nice product. And the last product that I have received is a hair spa kit from Sisa. So it is a 3-step therapy for silky, shiny and healthy hair, and it is for unisex use. So it can be used by yourself or your partner. And the 3 steps here are, it has got a shampoo, it has got a hair mask, and it has got a hair serum. So this is promising, and it is just rupees 99. So friends, this looks definitely something worth trying. What if you are getting a hair spa like feeling with at the cost of just rupees 99? Fantastic, friends. So these were all the products that I received in my Glamego box. I'm quite impressed with this one's Glamego box. Though the product sizes are small in terms of the Nature Co, but Nature Co products are definitely worth it, and I like this box, and I'm sure you will like it too. At 399 rupees, the products are fantastic. So friends, if you like this box, go ahead and order yours. I would rather suggest you to go for a 6-month subscription. That's the most economical one and a recommended one. In any case, it's for you to decide. And with that, friends, we come to an end of this video. I hope you enjoyed watching this, and if you did, please go ahead and subscribe to my channel. Do click on the notification bell so you don't miss any of my videos. Look forward to hearing from you. Bye for now. Love you all.